Are you ready to transform your teaching and learning approach with a cutting-edge innovation? In today's fast-paced educational world, how can you keep your students engaged and foster collaboration, and also ensure meaningful outcomes that meet a learning criteria? The answer lies within the D.I.C.E framework. On Saturday, the 11th of January from 11 to 12, join us for this exciting 1 hour workshop, AI powered by project-based learning, to discover how you can apply a D.I.C.E framework which has been developed to bring about clarity, innovation, and collaboration within teaching and learning. In just 1 hour, you'll learn how to integrate AI into project-based learning, apply the D.I.C.E framework to real-world curriculum challenges, and collaborate with peers and walk through practical activities. I look forward to seeing you next Saturday for this session.